Hello everybody, it's Rick and
Luna!
Luna's got hiccups. It's because she ate her lunch far too quickly. So we just thought we'd show you our tomatoes. And what time of year is it, Luna?
November time.
End of November, isn't it? And somehow we have still got tomatoes ripening up. It's amazing. So we thought we just must make a little video to show you guys all these tomatoes. So let's just flip the camera around. So here we go, look. We've got tomatoes here. There's a few green ones.
There's one here.
There's some there that are still fairly big, yeah. What about on that one behind you now? That's quite a lot. So we planted the tomatoes, I think, in about April time this year, and then they got hammered by the frost, which was not good. In fact, nearly everything we planted for our veggie plot this year got hammered by the frost. So we had to start again. And what happened when we grew tomatoes last year, Luna? What happened? Well, what happens every year when we put them in the veggie plot?
We get too many.
Yeah, and it just takes out. They just take over, and then they flop onto the ground, don't they? And then they start to rot. So what we did this year is we decided, and the same with our strawberries, we decided we were going to plant them in hanging baskets. We made these special racks. There's empty hanging baskets there from where the strawberries were, and it's kept these tomatoes off the ground. They're brilliant. So even though it's the end of November and the plants are long since dead, really, we've actually got tomatoes. Look, there's a good one. It's going to go really cold next week, so we've decided we're just going to try and pick what's left and see if they ripen up in the house, and that'll be it until next year. But we're definitely going to plant strawberries and tomatoes in this way again next year. Charlie's decided to use this closest short rack for all the bats for the swing ball, which is kind of better than just leaving them all around the garden. But we did have all our tomatoes on this back one here. And what else have we got growing in the vegetable plot then, Luna?
We have got 2 rows of beans, which are growing very well.
Broad beans. I love broad beans. Do you guys love broad beans?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Have we got our favourites growing? What are our favourites growing?
A row of peas.
Oh, we've got some peas. Oh, they're slightly quite a bit different, aren't they, to the beans?
Yeah. And then we've got a row of peas.
Another row of peas. We planted those about 2 weeks after the first row, and then
this row, Daddy planted for the season, and he rolled them over, and they seem to be coming up very quick.
Yeah, I didn't put those seeds quite as deep, and I've just compacted the soil down a little bit more, and they have come through ever so quick. So we've got 3 rows of peas and 2 rows of beans, so that's our winter crops. Anything else you got to say, Lena, other than
Oh yeah, we've got some carrots down there.
oh, let's go and have a quick look at the carrots.
So we've planted some more carrots.
Yeah.
And they come out in really weird shapes. Some of
Go on,
them
pull one out,
have got
Dave,
2
pull one out,
legs.
because we can have it for roast tomorrow. This will be exciting.
Yeah.
Go on. Oh my word, that isn't a funny shape. Even Tesco's would accept a carrot of that shape, wouldn't they?
Oh, there's a slug on it.
A slug?
Yeah, look.
Oh well, we can eat the slug with the carrot. That'll be a nice extra, won't it?
I'll flick it off.
Okay.
Bye, slug.
So we've got a few more carrots, so we're going to have enough to take us all the way till Christmas lunch?
No.
Don't think so. So next year we need to plant more later carrots, I think.
We're going to show you my guinea pigs, and we're going to feed them the top of the carrot leaves, which were from the carrot that we just picked. Here's Cookie.
Hello, Cookie. Do you like a carrot leaf, don't you? And the stems. Hello, Coco.
And then here's Coco. Come on, Coco, won't you come?
Coco's a bit shy.
Cookie.
Look, he's just taking
Cookie,
it back in.
Cookie. He's trying to eat cookies.
They absolutely love the carrots, don't they?
Yeah.
You pop the rest in there.
Yeah.
That's it.
I'm going to put some inside for Coco.
You're going to come and say hello, Cookie and Coco. Have you got anything to say? No?
Bye.
Another hiccup.